I'm Batman.
Hello everyone, my name is Batman TDK and today it is a big day. Happy Superman Day. So as you can see, I wear a Superman t-shirt. Looks pretty cool. I love it. And today I'm going to unbox and build these Lego sets. So about this Lego set for Superman Day. So this is a brand new Lego Superman set. This Lego set was released this year on January 1st. So that's pretty cool. And yep, here's the front of the box. It looks cool. So this is like the Superman mechanic versus Lex Luthor. That's pretty cool. Here's the old DC logo. Oh yeah, this set include 120 pieces. Yes. And here's the spine. I love the Superman logo. Oh, as you can see on the other side, there's a Superman figure. And on the back we see the ultimate move on Superman and Lex Luthor. So that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, as you can see, there's a kryptonite. So Lex Luthor, I know Lex Luthor always uses a kryptonite to battle Superman. So yeah. So let's open up and let's see what's inside. Whoa. So this is the sets for the Lego Superman. Oh, so this include the Superman cape. That's cool. And here's the instruction books. Yeah, as you can see, that's pretty cool. Right now, I am building this set, and when I'm finished building this set, I will show it to you in a few moments later.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I just finished building the Lego set. So here is the Superman mechanic suit. That's pretty cool. I really love the Superman logo on his on his chest, and I really love his arm. Yeah, they're both arms and legs. Are pretty cool. Yeah, that looks like a Superman a robot to me. And I have both minifigures, and yeah, there's a Superman. That's very cool. This is brand new Superman, but this is a brand new Lego Superman figure. And here's a Lex Luthor when he's a kryptonite and his kryptonite gun. That's pretty cool. Put this figure in the robot. So you have to pull over. You have to pull over like that, and then you have to put in there. You have to, all right. Look. So yep, there we go. That's the now you can see a Superman in his mechanic suit. That's pretty cool. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have the complete collection of DC superheroes mechanics suits. So now I have the Batman mechanic suit. Right, if I pull over here, you can see the Batman minifigure. And I have the Superman. That's pretty cool. So now guys, thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. And you can follow me on Twitter, I'm TDK5. And I hope you like this video and see you next video. Peace!